Hello, garden enthusiasts. Today on Product Critique, we're diving into a must-have for any gardening aficionado. The VELCRO brand ONEWRAP garden ties. These innovative ties are not just practical. They're the best tomato ties for your garden. Let's explore why. First off, what makes these ties stand out? They're crafted from durable, recycled plastic with a soft side that won't scratch or damage your plants. This gentle approach ensures your tomatoes and other plants are supported without harm. Now, let's talk features. The VELCRO brand ONEWRAP garden ties boast a secure, reusable design. You can cut them to any desired length, making them adaptable to various gardening needs. Whether it's securing tomato plants, training vines, or even organizing garden tools, these ties do it all. Durability matters in the garden, especially with our unpredictable weather. These ties feature strong gripping action, ensuring they stay firmly in place even during stormy conditions. They're built to last, offering year after year of reliable support. One of the standout qualities is their ease of use. Simply wrap them around your plants, and the self-gripping mechanism holds them securely. They're also effortless to adjust and reposition as your garden evolves. Beyond tomatoes, these ties are versatile. Use them for securing trees, organizing fencing, or even bundling garden tools. The possibilities are endless, making them an essential tool in any gardener's kit. In conclusion, the VELCRO brand ONEWRAP garden ties are more than just garden tools. They're your garden's best friend. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these ties provide the support and flexibility you need. Don't just take my word for it. Try them out yourself and experience the difference. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!